The emotional ramifications for Ms. Bovill and her mother were substantial, given their previous unawareness of any doubts surrounding their familial connections. The unexpected revelation precipitated a wave of distress and confusion, fundamentally altering the nature of their relationship. Mr. Bovill's long-standing suspicions were rooted in perceived infidelity, prompting him to question the legitimacy of Ms. Bovill's lineage. These suspicions were exacerbated by familial comments as well as striking resemblances to another man's granddaughter, cultivating a fertile ground for doubt. The court proceedings became a critical arena for uncovering the truth concerning Ms. Bovill's conception, probing the possibility of alternative paternal figures. The presiding judge underscored the necessity of obtaining definitive answers through DNA testing, establishing a clear path for resolution. Moreover, the dialogue delved into the complexities of previous relationships that had further convoluted the existing family dynamics. This convoluted history inevitably led to misunderstandings regarding paternity and the associated responsibilities. Carrie's confrontation with Mr. Bovill poignantly highlighted the urgency for accountability and recognition of parental roles. This dynamic became particularly critical in the context of family interactions and the structure of support necessary for all parties involved. The absence of a father figure in Carrie's life has engendered considerable emotional distress, adversely affecting her self-esteem and interpersonal relationships. This context becomes a vital aspect of her testimony, shedding light on the often overlooked repercussions of such familial voids. Witness testimony emerged as a pivotal component in unveiling entrenched family secrets, exemplified by James Bovill's hesitance to disclose information regarding his family. His perspective serves to enrich the ongoing conflict, revealing layers of complexity underlying the situation. The emotional impact stemming from the revelation of hidden family connections often manifests in feelings of forgiveness and the potential for reconciliation. Such transformative moments become crucial pivots for healing long-standing familial wounds. Furthermore, the narrative emphasizes how past infidelities can entangle family dynamics, giving rise to unexpected relationships and tensions. The situation serves as a stark reminder of the paramount importance of honesty in nurturing familial bonds. Ms. Swan's acknowledgement of her relationship with a married man reflects an apparent obliviousness to the repercussions of her actions on his family. This situation invariably raises profound questions regarding personal accountability and ethical considerations in extramarital affairs. The judge's confrontation with Ms. Swan regarding her apparent lack of remorse underscores the emotional and familial damage wrought by infidelity. This situation intricately highlights the moral implications associated with engaging in relationships that compromise family integrity. The dialogue further reveals inconsistencies in Ms. Swan's statements about the duration of the affair, compellingly suggesting the possibility of dishonesty. Such discrepancies raise significant concerns regarding the credibility of her claims and the authenticity of her relationships. Continuing this line of inquiry, the conversation navigates the complex emotions tied to acknowledging a biological father for the first time. The implications of this revelation resonate deeply among the participants, affecting their perspectives on identity and belonging. Expressions of sorrow and regret permeate the discussions, particularly surrounding the absence of a father figure and the memory of a lost sibling. This palpable need for connection resonates strongly, accentuating the void created by unresolved familial issues. Additionally, the encounter with concrete evidence of their father's likeness serves as a catalyst for a complex mix of emotions, leading to profound realizations about their identities and familial affiliations. This experience proves to be transformative and emotionally overwhelming for the individuals involved. The importance of establishing boundaries within familial structures emerges as a critical theme, especially in situations where children exhibit challenging behavior. It becomes imperative for parents to enforce rules to cultivate a nurturing and healthy environment. Investigating the impact of a child's past experiences on their current behavioral patterns reveals significant insights. The ramifications of abandonment and a lack of parental presence often manifest as trust issues and behavioral challenges. In this context, communication among family members emerges as a fundamental mechanism for resolving conflicts. Engaging in open dialogue can significantly clarify misunderstandings and foster healthier relational dynamics. The discourse illustrates a cyclical pattern of relationships and past mistakes, further underscoring the necessity for candid communication about responsibilities that accompany parenthood. This openness is crucial to ensuring the well-being of the child. Moreover, the emotional ramifications of uncertain paternity on all involved parties cannot be overstated. Stakeholders articulate their desire for clarity and stability, particularly in relation to the child's future. The significance of supportive family figures, such as a boyfriend, emerges as a positive influence on a child's development. This dynamic emphasizes that love can manifest in various forms, transcending conventional biological ties. In the courtroom, conflicting narratives regarding condom use highlight ambiguity in the historical context of the relationship. Such complexities raise pertinent questions about responsibility during intimate encounters, further complicating the situation. The emotional impact stemming from paternity results becomes increasingly evident as individuals confront the realities of their relationships and responsibilities. The judge advocates for understanding and acceptance among all parties, encouraging a path forward. Ultimately, the judge's remarks accentuate the notion that emotional connections and love play a crucial role in defining what constitutes a family. This perspective advocates for a more inclusive understanding of parenthood, transcending the confines of biological definitions.